With 42 days left in the year, is it really too early to start making goals for 2021? I don't think so. I'm Mike with the Writer Sanctuary, and yes, I am setting my goals for 2021. Now, before we get started, you can hit the like button to help the channel out, and for more videos about blogging, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, you can always hit me up on social media, on Twitter and Facebook, or use the contact form on WriterSanctuary.com's website. So why the hell am I starting my goals 42 days early? Well, that's because if you have a month and a half, it gives you plenty of time to make adjustments and alterations before the end of the year. So instead of trying to come up with something last minute, I have a bit of a plan going on. Now for me, that helps tremendously when it comes to planning out my strategies for the upcoming year. So what are some blogging goals that I'm going to be looking forward to? Well, first of all, I'm going to maintain a publishing schedule. Now, the first few months of this are going to be fairly easy to do simply because I am already in the middle of a case study. I'm trying to see if a consistent blogging schedule improves a lot of different factors, and I will make a video about that as soon as it's over. Secondly, having a publishing schedule gives the audience something to rely on. For the same reason that most television channels have time slots for their video content, giving your audience a reliable publishing schedule lets them adjust their day or anticipate when something new is coming out. This helps people keep coming back, which translates to more visitors and better retention time. Thirdly, it makes Google happy. I have a running theory that if you maintain a publishing schedule, then your entire domain across the board improves. Now, I've seen this happen before with some of my other blogs where when I was constantly pushing out content, everything improved on its position in search results. So I'm going to see if that's still the case. Now, the hardest part about doing all this, though, is maintaining quality, because you can blog whatever you want, but if no one wants to read it, you're not going to get visitors. So I still have to come up with quality content that people want to read. Some types of content just perform better than others. My second goal for 2021 is setting the amount of words I'll write throughout the entire year. Now, I started a million-word challenge about this time last year, and I didn't quite make it. Right now, I'm sitting just under 400,000. With only 42 days left to go, I'd have to write a lot of content. So the 1 million word goal for 2021 is going to be more of a sub goal. This breaks down to 3,832 words a day or 19,160 words a week. That may sound like a lot, but in reality, it's not. Now, back in the day, I used to do like 3 times that amount. My primary goal for 2021 is to surpass what I write in 2020. Unfortunately, I won't know what that is until December 31st because I keep track of every single word I write. So this goal isn't specifically for blogging, but it does play a big part in it because I record every word I write for the blogs, clients, my Wattpad stories, anything I write for the description and videos. All of my production writing is all counted into this goal. And a vast portion of it is going to go towards the blog, so that's why it's going to be part of my blogging goal. And lastly, I need to start revamping some of the older articles across all my different blogs. For one thing, I saw one of my clients increase their visitors by 8,000% over a span of 6 months. And we're talking tens of thousands of visitors a month. So those are my 3 major goals. Pretty simple for blogging. But as I set it up now, I'm pretty sure things are going to change throughout the time. But that's why I'm doing it a month and a half early. Because now I can fine tune what exactly I want to do, plan out how my days are going to go. It's just one method to keep me focused and maintaining my workflow. And if I have a chart, or in this case a spreadsheet, that shows me exactly where I need to be every day, it helps me tremendously. Mostly because I often forget. I don't know if it's age or if I just need some ginkgo biloba. In fact, I'm going to add probably a little bit more to it and make a YouTube goal to go with it. I haven't been the most consistent creator this past year, but I'd like 2021 to change all that. So I'm going to spend the next 42 days building up momentum and finishing off the year on a high note. So what are your goals for blogging for 2021? Leave those comments down below. Maybe we can share notes. To be honest, I'm going to be swinging for the fences in 2021. I know I said that the 1 million word goal is more of a sub goal, that if I don't meet, it's okay. But I'm still going to try it. 3,832 words per day, Monday through Friday, really isn't all that difficult. I just need to spend less time on YouTube and playing They Are Billions. God, that game's been taking a lot of my time. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos about blogging, freelance writing, WordPress, textbook, or anything else I cover, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think that's going to do it for me today. I'll see you on Monday. With 42 days left in the year, it's time for me to start planning on what I want to do for Bajibadba. But to be honest, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be swinging for the fences in 2021. I want to